Here I have added one piece of garlic. You can see it is crushed and put in the boiling water and keep it. I added 1 glass of, like this, 1 glass. You can add 1 cup as well. So when the water has remained half of the glass, it's evaporated. So then you use, filter this water in the glass. You can see it's already almost half of the quantity. So here I am gonna use the pure sugar. You can see this is sugar from sugar cane. You can also make from the jaggery gur, which is the raw sugar from the sugar cane, and we can see it's almost half of the water is evaporated and the extract is already good for use. So at this point I'm gonna add in the glass. Here it is. So you can see, you see the garlic here. Yes. So this is the best remedy, one of the best remedy for the congestion, chest congestion and flu and cold.